In this video, we will see how to remove a user from our system. I've created here three users, Elmo, Bert, and Ernie. We have their directories here in home and the entries in password file. And we have also two different commands for removing users, del user and user del. As the same, when we were adding a user, we have a command add user for adding the user interactively. We have del user is the equivalent one, and user del is equivalent to user add. Okay, this is meant for scripts, and this is meant for running interactively. Okay, so removing a user is the same as it's very easy. Just sudo del user and the name of the user. So for example, Elmo, and okay, we don't have that user in our system anymore. If we take a look at the password file, we can see that the user is not here anymore. But there is something. If we take a look to the home directory, we have the Elmo directory here. We haven't removed the home directory because we can have here sensitive information and things that we don't want to delete, to remove. So if we want to do that, we can use the del user with the flag remove home. In this case, Elmo doesn't exist in our system, so we will remove the Bert user. If we do that, okay, you can see that here the Bert directory is not here anymore. It has been deleted, and here we can see that the user doesn't exist. Okay, you have another flag when removing a user. Let me check here. The user can have files that are not here, not outside of its home directory. It can have some files in another place in the file system, and if we have removed the user, then those files won't belong to anybody. So deleting a user is not only doing that or removing the home directory. We must take a look to all the files that the user have in our system and decide what we want to do with them. So for example, we have a flag in the user for removing all files for that user, or we can assign the ownership of those files to another user, whatever. We must decide that before deleting the user in our system. So very easy, the user. With that, we can remove the user from our system, remove the home directory, or do it by hand later. And we can also remove all the files that belongs to that user.